Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, Hollywood, In-N-Out Burger, Radio City Music Hall, London Underground, or McDonald's.
These locations and companies couldn't be any more different, but they all have one thing in common. They all have well-known, man-made signs, most likely by a company that designs, builds, and installs them.
Hi, I'm Bharat Kanodia. I have appraised over 2,000 businesses, including airports, malls, casinos, and large tech companies like Uber and Airbnb. My videos are designed to educate owners on what their business is worth.
The sign industry provides us more signs than we think about. Billboards, retail, buildings, mobile units, park benches, even menu boards. There are over 30,000 sign businesses making $15 billion in annual revenue and employing 100,000 people. There are three trends that are reshaping this industry as we speak.
1. Biophilic Design. Loop Mother Nature in your design and materials. Green buildings, natural materials, natural lighting. Such designs speak volumes of your commitment to sustainability. Less use of plastics and more natural colors, wood grain materials, and even bamboo designs project environmental consciousness. 2.
Co-opetition. One company cannot do it all, and trying will lead to failure. Partner with a competitor on projects you cannot fulfill and create long-term goodwill. And who knows, with all the buyouts and new sign companies up for sale recently, you may end up merging as one company someday. Collaboration is the smart and mature thing to do.
3. Digital and shiny. Restaurant menus, highway billboards, and even convention hall signs are digital now. They're easier to manage and always look good. Customers want graphics that are compatible with a variety of digital hardware. Rule of thumb, tell me if you've heard any of these before. Sign designs should directly correlate to how far away the viewer is. The signs with highest visibility are black on yellow background. Legible designs trump fancy scripts every time. These are more guidelines than rules to create eye-catching signs that attract customers to your business.
A sign business's value can vary anywhere between 2 and 3.5x on SDE, or 45 to 60% on its annual revenue, plus the cost of inventory and any major tangible assets. There are three factors that can help you maximize your sign company's value.
1. Show and tell. Your customers are paying you to develop your most visible marketing materials. Do good work and build on it. Prospective customers will be looking at your portfolio and, more importantly, what you've learned and how your innovation can deliver something fresh and new.
2. Hunt in packs. The sign business is fragmented. One company alone cannot possibly service an institutional client with all their needs. So how do you service them? Collaborate with your competitor and ensure that they're receiving all the service that they need. Don't forget an MOU with a non-compete.
3. Innovation culture. Think outside the box. Build on your success. This is only possible when your team is trained and committed to innovation and learning everything about your customers' industry. If your employees fall asleep at the wheel, see what happens to your business.
Producing this video reminded me of the Stone Age or the Flintstones. Even they had signs. The Parthenon has inscriptions, signs of that age. St. Peter's Basilica has Latin inscriptions. The Taj Mahal has Persian inscriptions. And I'm sure the homes, the streets, and businesses in Mesopotamia or Pompeii even had signs. They may not be like the ones we have today in Las Vegas or Times Square, but they were there to enable communication and free speech. Charles Darwin said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one that is most adaptable to change." Thanks for watching.